Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create and verify your WeChat account. And also, if you are new here, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell below, like and share this video. On this channel, we talk about business opportunity, how to start your own importation business, whether China or Dubai, and also how to build your own business. So I won't take much of your time. Let's get right to the video. This one here is the tablet I got from Xianyu app. Yes. So if you are still thinking about how to start your own gadget importation, you want to buy your own phones, laptop, tablet from China, but you don't know where to source from, I'll be leaving the link in our description for you to register for a masterclass gadget importation course. Yes. So let's get started. I'll be using this to register my WeChat account. I already have a lot of WeChat account, but I'll be creating a new one using this I got from China on the Xianyu app. Let's get started. This laptop, this is how it is. I'll be doing more videos on that. Yes, so right now we are going to install our WeChat account on my tablet. So you go to your App Store or Play Store. If you are using Huawei, this is Huawei, so I'll be going to my app gallery. Then I'll type WeChat. It will take some time for it to download. If you have a strong internet, it will take a few minutes for it to download. Yes, so let's wait for it. So it's done installing now. It's now installing, as you can see. So right now I'll click on open. Yes, you see the interface and everything. This part I won't be screen recording because if I don't take care, WeChat can restrict my account. So I won't be screen recording this one, but I'll record from this side. Yeah. So with this side, click on sign up. Then I'll sign up with my mobile phone. So to sign up, you enter your full name, your phone number, the password you want to use, and click on agree and continue. With here, I'm using my brother's details because I've already used my phone numbers to open different WeChat accounts. After filling in your details, you click on agree to terms and conditions and click on accept and continue. With here, you have to click on the terms and conditions, agree on it, and click on next. For WeChat like this, you have to do a lot of verification because that's the app most Chinese people use. With here, they want to do another verification, so click on start. So I'm done with this verification. After you are done with the verification, this QR code will pop up. This is the last step to get your WeChat account. So what you do is, you need to get someone who is already having a WeChat account, and also the WeChat account is more than 6 months, and also the person hasn't scanned anybody's own apart from 1 or 2 people. If not, they won't be able to scan your QR code for you. And I know most people will ask, how can I get people to scan my QR code for me? Yes, there are many ways. The first one is to ask your fellow importers. Anyone you know who is already into this importation business, you can ask whether they can scan for you. And also the second one is asking your suppliers. Yes, for me, for this one, I asked my suppliers on 688 Pindodo for them to scan for me. Not all will do it for you, but the ones you've been maybe buying your products from, some will just be ready to help you. So I made my suppliers scan my QR code for me. If you have your trusted suppliers, you can also do that. And some of your friends too can do it for you. And some of the suppliers too won't help you. Yes, sometimes they will think you are a scammer or something like that. But some of the suppliers, if you're buying things from them, they can help you scan your QR code. They will give you a welcome message. Feel free to sell anything And also remember, if you are using WeChat, make sure when you're adding suppliers contacts, make sure you add at least 2 to 3 suppliers contacts every day. Because let's say that day you added like 10 suppliers contacts, your account can be banned on this app. Yes, it can be restricted, so make sure you take note of that. Yes, so if you want to search a supplier's contact, you just come here. You type maybe phone. You see phone, a lot of them pop up here. So let me say iPhone. You see iPhone, a lot of suppliers showed here. WeChat is one of the places you can get access to a lot of suppliers. Yes, you can just go through them. So let me check this one.
We have tens of thousands of pieces in stock, plenty of inventory, a wide range of models available. Hi boss, our company is located at Building 1 TU Road.
You can just follow the supplier.
Quanta.
Let's check another vendor. Laptop supplier, wholesaler, supplier, any of them is cool. Yes, so you see there are tons of them here. Yes, if you want to see videos, you click here. You want to see more videos, even from here you can get access to the suppliers contact. You just click on the video.
I'm a second-hand laptop wholesaler.
Then you go down
I have
to
second-hand laptops from brands
this
like
side.
Dell, HP, Lenovo,
So you see,
and Asus.
you can just follow to see how things are. This is the suppliers page.
I'm a second-hand laptop wholesaler.
They sell a lot of
I have second-hand laptops from brands like Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Asus. Feel free to contact me, guys. I'm a second-hand laptop wholesaler in Guangzhou. I have second-hand laptops from brands like Dell, HP,
so this is the WeChat
Lenovo,
number.
and Asus.
Yeah, this is how you can source for supplier on this app. You can get new one, refurbished ones. So just make sure you chat your suppliers, maybe your trusted supplier, that oh, you are facing this problem and you want them to help you scan your QR code. They will definitely help you, so don't worry about that, unless maybe they don't know you. For me, on the 168, I've been buying items from them, so some of them rejected me. Yes, and others to try to help, others to help, others to didn't help. So that's how life is. Yeah, this is how you can just buy or source for suppliers on this app. If you're someone who wants to buy your things from Xianyu app, I'll be leaving the link in my bio for you to access our course. Also, if this video really helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below.